Welcome to John 3:16 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. The first step is to locate the furnace switch on the circuit breaker or power panel box. Turn the furnace switch off. Ensure the furnace light is off before you proceed. After that, find the location of your furnace filter. Remove the furnace filter cover. Remove the furnace filter. Note the direction of the arrow on the filter. This indicates the direction of airflow. Note the size of the filter for your HVAC system. Use this information to purchase the correct filter for your heating and cooling system. Install the new filter. Ensure that the arrow on the filter is pointing to the correct direction before you install it. Install the filter cover. Go to the circuit breaker and turn the furnace switch on. After that, go back to the HVAC and ensure the light is on. This is to confirm that the furnace is on. Congratulations, that completes the installation. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.